Hello, I made a editor update on some of the new tools, but I just want to make a quick tutorial about the new tools so you don't have to sit through that every single time. So as of 2/3/2021, we have this new button called toggle selectors. And if you click on toggle selectors, a red box will show up around the things that you are selecting. And this works for anything on the page. And you can right click and you'll get a box that shows the selector. You can copy the selector and you can paste the selector. And down here in the editor, you can see that if you click on the rule, it will also highlight over here. Now, if you highlight over it, it will remove it. But to find that again, you can just click down here. So let's background green. We'll add a green background just to prove that this works. And there is one caveat to this right now, is that it is not great at selecting lists of things. So to demonstrate what I mean, let's grab a list of pictures. So we'll right click, we'll copy the selector, we'll come down here, we'll paste it, and let's add a border. And now we can see that we only have one picture here that has a border. Notice there's only one border here. And that's because when we selected our element, we were extremely specific and we only selected that element. And you can notice down here we have these what's called pseudo selectors, which start with a colon and have some selector and then sometimes an argument. In this case, we want to target the person. That's the first child, which would be this thing right here. And we want to get the link. That's the second child. So this is the first link and this is the second link. And inside that link, there's an image. But to get the rules that you want, you don't really have to concern yourself about that. What I found is that you just get rid of these pseudo selectors. And now we can have all of them selected. And most of the time that's what you want because you would like to, edit all the pictures at once. We'll go over a second one really quick just to show again how this works. And this one's going to be a little bit more complicated, but let's go to our contacting options. So we'll right click here, we'll copy the selector, and we have just this single one, just this one right here. And we're going to go ahead and add another border, but I'm going to copy this just to save time. So now we have 2-pick solid black border around just a specific element. So let's get rid of these pseudo selectors again and see what that does. Okay, so what this is saying is now we have these two, and let's get rid of the other pseudo selector. And now that gives all of them a border. So I apologize for being kind of hacky right now. I haven't figured out the best way to, make this easy. But what you need to remember, if you would like to affect lists of things, and you want to get every single item in that list, just get rid of those pseudo selectors, the ones with the colon that come after. And that should get you pretty far. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a good day.